What is going on, everybody? My name is Noble, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the brand new Discord names that are coming. So I'm going to be doing this on PC, but you can also do it on your mobile app simply by opening up Discord and going to your profile. There you should see a yellow exclamation mark on your account, which will allow you to change your name. So we're going to be doing this on PC, like I said, but it's just as easily done over on your mobile app or on your tablet, phone, whatever it is that you want to use. But if we scroll down to where your profile's at and click on the settings icon, you can click on that and you guys will see action needed, update your username, get started. So we're going to go ahead and click on get started. It's actually very simple. Basically what's happening here is, as it says on screen, we are asking everyone to update to unique usernames from discriminators. Now, discriminators was your unique username followed by the hashtag and 4 numbers. Now they're going to get rid of the hashtag and 4 numbers and just have unique usernames. So it's pretty important for you to actually do this as soon as you can, because unique usernames are going to be one of a kind, which means that if someone claims the username that you want, you're not going to be able to get it. So make sure that you do this as soon as possible, and it says you can update yours now. Now, just for quick reference, we're going to read through this. It says unique usernames are easier to remember and share with your friends because you don't have to remember the hashtag followed by those 4 numbers. You can also choose a display name to control how your name appears across Discord, because your username is going to be in all lowercase letters. That's just the way it's going to be forced. And your screen name or your display name can be capital letters and lowercase. So it says NobleArcade hashtag 7855 will be memorialized as a badge on your profile, which you can hide at any time. So we're going to go ahead and get this started. It's going to be very simple. It says, what should we call you? This is how others will see you. You can use special characters, spaces, emojis, or whatever. So this is going to be your display name. Now for me, it's very simple. It's going to stay NobleArcade. Maybe with like a skull or something, but I can add that later and we'll have a follow-up video for that as well. But for right now, my display name, NobleArcade. Very simple. Now, what's your username? This will help friends add you. Keep it simple with numbers, letters, periods, or underscores. Now again, right now it's got NobleArcade. I might have been a little bit too late. Maybe someone's already beat me to it, but let's just do NobleArcade. Someone took my name again. I don't believe it. I'm doing this as soon as possible, but someone's already taken it. So we're gonna have to do Noble_Arcade, unfortunately. And this is why you need to do this as soon as possible. I've done this as soon as I saw the email in my email. I wanted to make this video, so I went ahead and did that. And unfortunately, probably waiting to do the video took me too much time, and now someone's taken my username. So that's kind of sad, but that's fine. I'm gonna be Noble_Arcade, and we're gonna submit that. So my display name, which people will still be able to see, will be NobleArcade. Unfortunately, my username is going to be Noble_Arcade. And that's it. We've got our display name here, we've got our username here, and the display name is what everyone will be able to see, but your username is going to be your unique name that no one can take from you unless they get to it before you do, which is what happened to me, unfortunately. So make sure that you do it quick. Make sure you do it before anybody else. Otherwise, you will not have access to your name if someone else claims it. But I just wanted to put this out there. As I said, if you want to do this on your mobile device, all you have to do is click on your profile, go to account, and then change your username and display name. That's as easy as it gets. I can't explain it any easier, but be sure to do it quick before someone takes your username. That's all I've got to say. I should have done this faster. I'm a little disappointed in myself. But with that said, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing, and I will see you on the next video.